And everybody's always looking for shortcuts. Everybody wants the cream that's going to make your skin beautiful, the pill that's going to make you lose 30 pounds in a month. Even that smartphone that was here to make your life easier needs to have a shortcut installed on the screen. But Hashem says no. I am not going to take you through Pelishtim. Why? Because it's easy, because it's a shortcut. And shortcuts might get you there quicker, but it will not transform the way you are. And in order to live the good life, we need you to change. And the only way we change is through overcoming obstacles, putting in the schwitz, putting in the work, persevering, and then getting there and looking back and saying, wow, the journey transformed who I am. I'm so glad I am who I am today.
Today is for today, yesterday was another day, and we don't know about tomorrow.